A good credit score is essential if you want to buy a car, a house, or even get a credit card. During the recession, lenders tightened requirements, making it more difficult for borrowers with poor credit or those just starting out to even get financing. But card issuers are lending again. Lending to consumers with what's known as subprime credit increased 41% last year to a 4-year high. That's according to a report from credit reporting agency Equifax. Banks issued 1.1 million new credit cards to borrowers with credit scores below 660. Credit limits on those new credit cards went up as well by 55%. That means borrowers with poor credit have access to capital, but many of those cards don't necessarily come with good terms. If you have excellent credit, such as a FICO score above 720, you can get an average APR of about 13%. That's according to credit card comparison site cardhub.com. But if you have a score between 660 and 719, your average rate is more like 17%. If your score is between 620 and 659, your average is 20%. Sometimes you just need access to money quickly for unexpected emergencies. But before you turn to credit cards, consider other options. John Ultheimer, the president of consumer education at smartcredit.com, has a few suggestions. For major expenses, try an equity line of credit. That's where you use an asset, typically your home, as collateral. That does carry risk, however, so be sure that you can actually pay off the loan. But in return, you get a lower rate. And in many cases, the amount you pay in interest is tax deductible. Another option is a personal loan, which gets paid off through a series of fixed payments. These are unsecured, so you don't need to use assets as collateral. But interest rates on personal loans can be quite high. If you do need a card but don't have a great credit rating, try a secured card. John told us that borrowers should stay away from prepaid debit cards. Those often come with high fees and don't help you build a credit score. Instead, try a secured credit card. But those cards do come with an average APR of about 18%, which is pretty high, and also may come with fees. To compare cards, go to cardratings.com and creditsesame.com. For top tips, I'm Felicia Taylor.